Hi, this is Mark with the Plumbers here, and we're going to talk to you about the Gerber Viper toilet. Here we have the Gerber Viper toilet. Let me tell you about some of its features. In the tank, we have a 3-inch flush valve. We also have a Fluid Master fill valve. These come standard with this toilet. Now, a lot of people have shown videos of these and we wanted to try it ourselves. We want to see what this thing will actually flush. So we're going to put some different things down it and see what happens. First, we're going to start with some salad. Took every bit of it down. Okay, next up, bread. Took it all down. Okay, next up we're going to try some donuts. Just like that. So there is the Gerber Viper toilet. It also comes with a fully glazed 2-inch trapway. It's a great flusher. You should have one in your house.